So for today, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw money from your Robinhood to your bank account. So first, you need to access your Robinhood application. And once you're in, just simply navigate to your profile. And once you navigated to your profile, you will see three lines, which is located at the top left corner of your screen, which is the menu. And after clicking the menu, you will see investing, crypto, transfers, and such. You just have to click for the transfers and make sure that the bank account is linked. So after that, you need to tap the transfer money for you to able to transfer and click the from section and make sure that you will choose the brokerage which is under the Robinhood accounts, which is your cash balance, and after that you will tender an amount you wanted to transfer money in from your brokerage account and tap the review and then transfer. And just simply wait for the withdrawal to be submitted and reflect to your bank account. This may take up to 5 business days to complete. And that's how you send money from Robinhood to your bank account. If you found this super helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video. Stay awesome, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next one.